One of the biggest risks for marketing consultants is having to pay out of pocket when something goes wrong with a client project. Whether it's a mistake in your work or an accusation of negligence, the cost can add up fast. Professional liability insurance of Next Insurance is built to handle exactly that. If a client claims your work caused them a financial loss, even if it wasn't your fault, this policy can cover legal defense, settlements, and court costs. It's protection for real situations. An email campaign with the wrong discount code, a miscommunication on deliverables, or a strategy that didn't meet expectations. Without coverage, you could be on the hook for thousands. With it, you have a safety net. Coverage is affordable, starting as low as $19 a month, and you can sign up online in minutes. Don't risk your savings or your business. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance and protect yourself today.